Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to make your variation swatches display the actual product images automatically using the Woodmart theme. So first you need to create an attributes, go to product attributes and here you can add on attributes. Enter the attribute title. I want to add product color and here you can choose the swatch style as per your requirements. So here you can set the swatch size. I want to set medium and click on the add attribute button. Here you can see the attribute is added. So you need to configure the terms values of the attribute. So I want to add here some color. I want to add gray and enable the option text swatch. You need to enable this option to work this. Click on the add new attribute. So again I want to add some more color. I want to add yellow and click on the add new product color. And here you can see I have added the 3 color. 3 color is added and the text swatch option is enabled. In this product I want to add some attributes. So first go to theme settings. Here you can see go to theme settings, click on the shop, variable products, and you need to enable the option use images from product variation. When you enable this option, this tells Woodmart to pull images directly from your variation settings. Okay, when you enable this option, this will tells Woodmart to pull images directly from your variation settings. So save the settings. So now you need to add images to the each variation. Go to your product editor and assign images to each variation. For example, if you have color variation, you can upload your own color images. Choose the product data variable product, click on the attribute settings and add attribute product color. Here you can add the value. I want to gray, green and yellow and save the attribute. And in the variation settings, click on the generate variation option and the 3 variation is added. Here you can choose the images for each variation. I have 3 variation and I want to use 3 different images for each variation. After adding the variation, save the changes and update the product. But if you visit the website and refresh the page, Here you can see the 3 product color is added, but variation image is not working. So in the theme settings, choose which attribute should as a grid swatch. For example, select color as your grid swatch attribute which you have added. After enable this option, if you refresh the page, you can see it is working fine. Now when customers select a swatch, the product image will change instantly based on the selected variation. If you found this helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel.